So guys, this is the rear splitter. It's like some bed liner material looking stuff, but it's plastic. It comes with 4 of the pretty much like the diffuser things, and pretty much you put them on there, and it comes with the hardware, and pretty much you screw them together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna show y'all right now. Alright guys, and this is what the diffuser looks like, pretty much put together. You can see the fins. It looks pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. It's this, I guess. So that's what it looks like. That's what the top view looks like, or the bottom, oh yeah, mid view. So it's gonna go straight on there. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it on there and see what it looks like, because I was not about to spend like $400 on a carbon fiber one, because I personally don't want carbon fiber on this car. It's not the build that I'm going for. I don't think I want to go full covering yet. I might, but not today. This thing was literally like, I want to say 50, 40 bucks. So I was like, yeah, might as well go for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I'll show you the steps on how to mount it, like, you know, while I'm screwing it in. But other than that, it's just gonna go somewhere on here. And hopefully I don't hit a gas tank, because if not, I'm fucked. But anyways, let's go ahead and mount it and see how it goes. Alright guys, and that's pretty much just a rough draft. I haven't like evened it out on the sides or anything, but it looks pretty dope. I mean, it's gonna take some getting used to. Pretty sure some people aren't gonna like it, but you know, 40 bucks can't beat it. It's whatever's. And now I have it evened out. Now it's time to drill. And that's what it ended up looking like. I mean, I don't know. Still gonna get some like getting used to. We'll see when the car is clean, because it looks like dirty. And it's nighttime, so it might look better later. It's just screwed on there, like hella screws on there. Cause like the screws that come with it, honestly, like for what I have, it doesn't work well, because there's not that many like mounting points where you can grab on. But I did with what I could, and then I used some longer screws, because it comes with little ones. I had to use some longer ones, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it looks. Hopefully it doesn't fly off when I'm driving. It's like pretty sturdy on there, honestly. Like, it's not moving. Yeah, it shouldn't fly off. We're good. So I'll keep up with y'all in the morning. Yeah, this isn't moving at all. It's really good secured on there. I put like 20 something bolts in there, because I did not want it to fly off while I'm driving and hit someone. But yeah, it's on there. Like, I honestly like it. It doesn't look that bad. Like, it's not a bad view. And then it goes with the rear arrow anyways. So, doesn't look that bad. Alright guys, I just want to make a quick video on it, pretty much showing y'all like a different type of diffuser you can get before you spend like 400 bucks on one, because that one is nice, but I just wanted to be a little bit different, you know. But yeah, I don't think it looks so bad. Like, I'll get used to it. But other than that, thanks for watching the videos. If you subscribe, you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and post more stuff. I do have some other stuff coming with the different car that I'm picking up this weekend, maybe. My friend's picking it up, so you might see a new car on the channel for a different type of audience. But I'm still gonna go ahead and post the Audi stuff. But anybody who hasn't subscribed yet, subscribe, like the videos. It does help the channel. And pretty much I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, which is coming up really fast, honestly. And I want to thank everybody. So peace. See y'all next time. Let me know what you guys want to see, by the way, because I don't know what else to do. All right, peace.